Today I'm going to be showing you a 1969 Mach 1. It's a factory 428 Cobra Jet R code, ram air hood shaker like you see it, finished in Acapulco Blue over black just as she was born. This car was painted just 2 years ago. She's ready to run. Today I'm going to be showing you around it, taking you for a drive in it, checking out the inside. Come on. Let's begin to look at the front of this thing. The fit and finish is really nice. This Acapulco Blue paint, I love it. Probably one of my favorite colors offered. It's really nicely done. Everywhere you look, it's slick, nicely polished. The blackout hood treatment is present here, done in satin black. This is how the car was optioned new. It's cool to see that. We've got that lower spoiler, the front spoiler looking tough. That lower valance is all refinished, and given this was just done a couple years ago, it's not riddled with stone chips. The grille looks nice. I think it's the original badge in there. The headlamps, however, look to be new. The chrome has a great finish. I'll show you what this car's got underneath the hood. This is a pretty well loaded up car. Voila. Power disc brakes, power steering from the factory. The air conditioning has been added, but they've utilized all the factory components. It looks like it was born in here. The shaker sitting on top looks badass. It's got a Holley carb underneath it. Have a Autolite battery topper and making this thing look factory fresh. Very nicely detailed. I look at hoses and belts. Looks like a lot of new components in here. If you look at the top of these shock towers, these struts look to be brand new. Underside of the hood, nice and painted, got nice zinc hardware. Very clean. It closes up well. I like how the hood fits flush down in that fender, and it's very evenly gapped. Good consistent gaps everywhere so far. We're riding on 15-inch Mag 500 wheels. It's a 235/50 R15. It's a Cobra Radial GT, as you can see. Those tires are 2024 date codes. Good looking gaps on the doors. I love the yellow accent with the Acapulco Blue paint. Out back, we're fitting a bit more rubber. This is a 255/60 R15, again with the 24 date codes. Really sharp looking tail end on these. I like the dual exhaust, the blacked out tail panel, the Mach 1 graphic wrapping around, bringing it all together, and of course the louvers and the spoiler. In the trunk, not a lot going on. It's a fold down seat car. You see it's got a nice mat in here. Looks like a new tank and new fill neck. Here's the Deluxe Marti Report, showing you some of the options on this car. Factory R code, Acapulco Blue over black, 325 Traction-Lok rear end. There'll be close-ups of that available on our website. Be sure to check out the link in the description down below. That'll take you right to the full listing of this car. Good gaps once more on this side. Wheel arch moldings all look good. The window moldings look nice too. Dual sport mirror car, done in body color. Windscreen looks to be free of chips or cracks. Good fitting cowl. Let's check out the inside. Oh, very clean in here. We have the original door tag still present over here. All the rubbers, not only for the door, the window, the felts, all look to be new. The door cards look perfect. Those are probably new as well. Seat covers tell the same story, as does this nice 3-spoke wheel, the old rim blow wheel. These are really cool. This one looks to be a new reproduction part. This got the factory tilt-away column, which is seldomly seen on these Machs. We have the red kick pad carpet treatment, like this car should have from the factory. Got it protected with some plastic. We're showing 85,800 miles on the clock. We got a speedo that runs up to 120 miles per hour. We've got a TAC fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. Down over here, we have a AM/FM Philco radio and factory style AC controls fitted. Ashtray just below here. C6 automatic, shift it with that lovely T-handle. Love the wood grain inlays. This car does have lap belts for everybody and shoulder belts for the front passengers. All right, and looking inside the console, no damage. Everything how it should be. Little 12-volt socket here. Now over in the dash, we get this great wood grain and an analog clock. That one is currently inoperable. Glove box, stock, simple, just how it would have been. The dash pad looks to be a new component. The A-pillar trim is free of crack. That looks to be new as well. The visors are in good shape. This rear view mirror here has no delamination. I think this is also a new piece. We'll check out the back seats. Looking out back here, looks to be new inner trim. All the hardware is present, fit nice and tight. The interior lights are working. The louvers look awfully cool from here. Window seals on there nicely. Headliner's good and tight. This rear bench seat we have, no rips or tears. Seat belts for both rear passengers, and that does fold down to get a good bit of storage if you ever need it. We've exited the shop. We're now going around some of our signature turns. Power steering's nice and tight. Brakes feel good. Very good. I like it. Shifting smoothly, running like a kitten. Got all the gauges working in front of me. Very nice. Car feels tight in the turns. Very good. As I mentioned earlier, the rubber is all new. The wind noise in here is really at a low. That's good. And it feels just as tight turning to the left. Very good. Now, if you want to see pictures all the way around this car, pictures up underneath it, pictures under the hood, close-ups of that Marti Report, be sure to check out the link we leave down in the description. That will take you over to the full listing on our website where we put out 100+ pictures, give you a full write-up, where it's been, what's been done, what we know about it. And while you're down there clicking around, be sure to like this video, subscribe to us if you're not already. We get a lot of cool cars coming in here, and YouTube sees them first. So if you subscribe, they pop up for you without you having to go digging. And if you're into this stuff and you want to make one of them yours, definitely want to be in tune with our new arrivals. They're moving fast this time of year. The weather's broke and everyone's got the itch. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.